Okay, welcome to my subscriber, friends and researchers. So today I am going to give you a very conceptual idea how to create membership function from physical data, from time domain data. So again I am telling this membership function just I have created, even though this may need so many fine tunings and all, but this lecture will give you a brief idea. When you are going to implement a fuzzy system, the basic thing is to create the membership function and define its rule based. So this lecture will help you to do that. Okay, how to do fine tuning and all that I will tell you in my successive lecture series. Okay, so I always used to tell my guru in fuzzy logic, from whom I learned fuzzy logic a lot to implement in real life application. He is Mr. Ashok Deshpande, and unfortunately he is no more. He was loving me a lot. So basically he is the founding chair professor of Berkeley Initiative in Subcomputing. Okay, and he is associated with so many institutions across the globe. You see, this is his complete biodata. He was a pioneer in fuzzy logic in the country, as well as he was a renowned person in fuzzy logic over the world. So I last met him in NIT Silchar. That is, this is the photo taken 23rd August 2019. This was the last meet with him physically at Silchar airport, and I took last dinner with him in 22nd August 2019 evening. This was the last dinner with him. So I always used to remember him. I pray to God to keep his soul in extreme peace. I will never forget you, sir. So the things which I was discussing, so this is a physical data. So the input of the system, it is beyond the, it is just above the, or you can tell it is when the transfer function of the system is unknown and we don't know the exact characteristics of the system, then this fuzzy logic will be very useful. So here the mass flow and theta, you need not to understand the system also, just it is a, as I am telling, it's a gross idea. So you see the mass flow is varying from 0.0039 meter cube per hour to 0.0018 meter cube per hour, and the tilt angle, it is varying from 30 to 60 degree. So all the cases, this was the differential pressure for a system. So how to implement the, say there are a lot of other input outputs are also to be included. So even though if I take these two as input and this is as output, how to make the membership function and to make the fuzzy system. Okay, so let us open MATLAB, and again I am telling my system is very slow, so you may experience delay. So you type fuzzy and enter. As I was telling, my system is very slow. It's dead slow. because my computer is Pentium computer. So this kind of one window will open, then you go to file, then import from file. So this already I have created due to save the time, so I am opening that. Okay, so this is one system. So as I was telling, the must flow and the tilt angle will be the two input, and the differential pressure will be the output. So if you want to add the variable, you go to edit, then add variable. If you want to add the variable in input, you click it. If you want to add the variable at output, you can do it. You can click here, variable will be added. After that, you double click on the any one of the input or output. So here you see, from these data I am defining if the flow is 0.0039 to 0.0078, I am defining it as low flow, and if it is 0.0078 to 0.0118, it is high, and if it is around 0.0078, it is called the medium flow. See, in the low flow, so first what we have to do, again I am going there. So once, say I am adding one more to show you. You see, I have added one variable. So this variable already added, another variable it is already added. So here you can rename the variable name, okay, and after that, I will delete it. I keep the thing as it is. Now I am clicking on the mass flow. So first here you have to give the range, then you click on the membership function. Say I am clicking the low flow. As I told, my low flow is 0.0039 to 0.0078, and my medium flow is around 0.0078, and my high flow is 0.0078 to 0.0118. Okay, so this is the membership function for the mass flow. Now coming to the tilt angle. So for the tilt angle, the low tilt angle I am defining it as 30 to 45, and high tilt angle it is 45 to 60, and the medium tilt angle is around 45. So the membership function for the two input variable is already created. Now I am going to the differential pressure. So here you see in the data there are total 3 sets of value. So each sets of value I am defining. So this is my low flow, this is my medium flow, and this is my high flow. And in low flow also I am defining again low flow, again medium flow, again high flow. Okay, that means, see here I am defining it as differential pressure low flow with low rate. So this range is 4.905 to 63.765. So you see, for that one, so it's a low flow, maybe this one. So this is the low flow. Okay, so here I have done some mistake. So low flow will be range of, this range will be 63.765 765. So you see, I am defining for this low flow, I am defining it as 4.905 to 24.525. So here I am writing 24.525. Okay. Then for low medium flow, where is that one? So this curve is for low. Now I have to find out low medium. So this is my low medium. Okay. So that range will be 20 around 24.525 and 63.765. Okay. So these things I have defined. Now I am going to low high rate. So this is my that. So this will start from 24.525, then 63.765, then 63.765. Okay. So this my definition, that thing is over. Now I am coming to this medium flow. So this is my medium low flow, but that range will be just 1 minute. So similarly, so total 9 membership function will come like that. And even though this is as I was telling, it is a gross idea, so you have to implement all that, and after that you need to define the rule base. So you double click on that, and here you see these are the rule base. So if must flow is low and tilt angle is low, then the differential pressure will be low with low rate. Like that, total 9 rule based I have defined here. Okay. And once you do that, after that you save it. So I have saved it. Now simply, if I want to see how my fuzzy system in 3D plot, so that you can put command surface view, then you give the file name dp.fis. If you enter, you see, this is my fuzzy system. It will behave in this way, even though it is not perfect. As I told, again, some further fine tunings are required. All these things are required. So this is the way to create a fuzzy system. And after that, during simulation, you can use the same fuzzy file in Simulink. So I have given a very brief idea how to create a fuzzy system from the time domain physical data. Hope this will be very useful for the students and the researcher who are working on fuzzy system. So thank you so much. If it is useful to you, I will be very happy. My contact details will be in my description box. If you want to contact me for further details, you are always welcome. I will be very happy to help you. Thanks for your patience to listen my talk.